The Italian cast on. Give yourself a long tail. Use your index finger and thumb and hold that yarn. Take your needle, place it on top of the yarn and twist it once around the index finger side. So you've got a little twist around the needle like that. Then take your needle, go on the outside of the thumb and up and around the index finger and off. That's your first step. Your second stitch is around both strands of yarn from the index finger side. Catch both those yarns and then in the middle. Now you've got another stitch. So you start again. Thumb side up, past the index finger, down and under. That's 1, 2, catch both of those strands of yarn and in the middle and up past the index finger, down, up, around, under, over all of them, through the middle. Now you've got your Italian cast on, and all you have to do for your last stitch is a backwards loop.